Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to lesson 2.4.3 on minor key signatures. So now that we've looked at minor scales, we're going to turn back to our favorite circle of fifths and look at minor key signatures. So this is exactly the same as you've seen before, except now on the outside you have the associated minor keys with each key signature. So there are different ways to think about this, which we'll talk about, but ultimately you just need to memorize this. You need to know that if you have a key signature with no sharps or flats, it's A minor. You need to know D minor has one flat in the key signature. Just got to know that. However, you learn and memorize things best. Whether that's flashcards or whatever online Quizlet thing exists. You do you. Here are some tips and tricks to help you along. I would choose one method. Using both of them will probably get confusing. But method one, if you know your major key signatures, which you should at this point, then just start on scale degree 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If D is 1, then B is 6. Even easier, 1, 7, 6. Going down D, C sharp, B. Okay, B is scale degree 6. So B minor has the same key signature as D major. This is the method that I prefer. So this is method 1. Method 2, if you add 3 flats to a major scale, you produce a natural minor scale, specifically the parallel minor. So, if you start with, say, C, and you go 3 Widdershins, so start on C major, go 3 keys Widdershins, then you end up with a key of 3 flats in the key signature, that's going to be C minor. Same sort of thing over here, start with E major, go 3 spots Widdershins, 1, 2, 3, that means this is E minor. Working in reverse, you can start with like, hey, I don't know what this minor key is. I know it's the minor key associated with a key signature of no sharps and flats, so I go 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's A minor. Start over here. Well, okay, it has 5 flats in the key signature, so go 1, 2, 3. B flat minor. Great. Um, with this method, something also to think about is, hey, 7 sharps in the key signature, 1, 2, 3. That's not going to be B flat minor. That doesn't make sense. It's going to be A sharp minor, the enharmonic equivalent. So, method 1, think about what scale degree 6 is. Method 2, go around the circle of fifths, 3 spots Widdershins or 3 spots clockwise. Choose one of those. Don't choose both of them. You're just going to confuse yourself. Again, this is what's easier for me, but this may be easier for you. Just wanted to explain them both. Choose one. Know your minor key signatures.